This video will show you how to set up the Smeg Espresso coffee machine with grinder and milk frother for its first use. Included in the box will be this quick start guide for setting up the coffee machine that we'll be talking through during this video. Firstly, ensure the components of the machine have been washed and dried thoroughly before returning to their correct place. This can be done using warm soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. Remove the red protective cap located on the back of the machine under the water tank. Lift the tank cover and fill to the maximum level with cold, fresh water. Secure the bean container by lining the arrows on the container with the corresponding arrows on the machine. Fix the container into place by turning it clockwise and matching the closed arrow with the arrow on the surface. With the machine plugged in, switch on the power button located on the side of the machine. The lights will illuminate and flash. Once the coffee machine has heated up, the lights will remain constant and ready for use. It's important to flush the machine through before use to rinse the internal pipework. Attach the filter holder with a non-pressurised filter for a double cup into the dispensing unit. Align the arrows and push into the centre to connect. Place a cup under the filter arm and press the double espresso button. Repeat this process 5 times for a thorough flush through. Position a container underneath the steam wand. Turn the steam lever clockwise to meet the water droplet icon and dispense water for 15 seconds. Return the lever back to the central position to stop the dispensing. Turn the steam lever to the steaming icon and allow the steam to flow for 15 seconds before returning back to the central position. Place the filter holder into the holder underneath the grinder. Select a grind level by twisting the grinder. The finer the grind, the stronger the espresso. Lift the coffee bean container lid and pour coffee beans directly into the container. Press either the single or double espresso grind button to begin the grinding process. Once complete, remove from the holder. Level the coffee and tamp. Press firmly and evenly onto the coffee to ensure it's compact. Align the filter holder with the arrows on the surface and pull into the centre to fit into place. With a cup underneath, press either the single or double espresso button to pull through the perfect espresso. To watch how to make drinks with steamed milk, please click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.